Guys, welcome back to Eat with Choice. If you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Choice and here is Eat with Choice. In this channel we eat, we talk, and we gist. Okay, so if you like this channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and like and share. Today's video I am trying popular Ghanaian food. Okay, one of the most popular Ghana food, okay, Ghanaian food. Okay, here we have washe. Washe is rice and beans. Then we have the sauce here. We have chicken. We have mackerel fish. We have spaghetti, and we have egg. This is washe. So I have never eaten Ghana kenkey before, but I have tried one time washe in a Ghana party, okay, but I didn't get the taste. You know, it's party now, you don't want to eat, like you just want to be posh, you know. So I'm going to be enjoying my washe today. I have not tried kenkey before, okay. I wanted to try it back then in Nigeria and the time that I traveled to Accra, but we have Nigeria restaurants, so I could not eat kenkey. Okay, so we have kenkey here. We have 2 wrap of kenkey. We have here the vegetables, which is onions, green pepper, cucumber. We have here fish, and we have here, this is the gari for the washe. I don't know how you people call this. This is the gari for the washe. So let me just open it. And this is the sauce for the kenkey. And I have here malt. So I really don't know Ghanaian people. Akwaba. My Ghanaian people, akwaba. I'm eating this food in the morning. Akwaba, Charlie. If you're a Ghana in my channel and you love it here, please identify yourself in the comment section and just tell me your favorite food in Ghana, okay? The food that you love to eat as a Ghanaian, all right? And also, Charlie, join me. Nigeria people, let's try together. Ghana and Nigeria, we are one. No, even if our jollof rice sweet persona, oh, we are still one. Don't call for me. Anyway, which one are we going to be trying now? Okay, let's try first the kenkey. So this is how the kenkey look like. I think kenkey is made of sweet ajele, mommy. Is kenkey made of rice flour? I don't know. I think kenkey is made of rice flour. Let this one come here. This is for the washe. And let's just try. Akwaba, my Charlie. My Charlie people. My Charlie, I want to try your food today. So this is the vegetable. And this is the sauce. Said before, I don't know if I said it in the earlier of this video, that it is money. Early morning, 10 a.m. okay, and he has cough and running nose, you know, so we didn't go out today. His brothers has gone to kindergarten. Me, I could not go. He could not go to school, and creepy, and I could not go to school. So this is the raw sauce. I think it's the raw sauce from the kenkey sauce. Yeah. No, you can. I don't think you can try this one. Ghana people, do children eat this one? Okay. This is just pure. Sorry. Pure pepper tomato blend. Really spicy. We're going to eat this one. So I think this kenkey is made of, I don't know, guys, put it in the, Ghana. This kenkey, what is it made of? Oh my God. It tastes so good. Fish. It tastes so good, guys. The kenke and the sauce put together. This fish is, I think it's tilapia. Oh my God. Ghana people. I don't know. If I'm supposed to use a spoon. Let me know in case of next time. I want to try some fish. This sauce, this raw sauce is very spicy, and I cannot give it to my child. He doesn't want. This is really good. I have never eaten raw sauce without cooking it before, but I think it tastes delicious. I cannot give you fish. So, no? Okay. My 1-year-old baby rejected it. So, Ghana people, let me know. Does baby eat it? Okay. We are going to be trying the washi now. But I really love this. When somebody told me that kenke sauce is raw, I didn't believe. Look, it's raw. So guys, let's try the washi. But this really, I really love this flour, and I want to know what it's made of. The taste of the kenke is sour. Sour flour. I love it. And the fish, really nice. Yeah. So, what are you putting in my mouth? I want more. I want more. I don't think washi will be sweeter than this kenke and raw sauce, raw tomato pepper sauce. I don't think. What are you putting in my mouth? It really tastes good. Sorry, my shot. Oh guys, this is the washi, and I put inside the sauce. The spaghetti is here, and then this is the gari. Let's test it. It's just for me, it's a gari fried with maybe oil. Yeah, that's the taste I'm getting. That's it. So let's taste the beans and the rice, which is the washi. Is this okay? I really don't know what they cook it with, what they add to the rice and the beans to make it so brown. And I'm getting one taste that I'm not getting from Nigeria rice and beans. Let's eat it with the sauce. Really, really nice. Really nice. Try. Yeah. So. Okay. It's chicken. Okay, my baby is not feeling too well, so let's try the fish. Ghana people, I think I should use my hand, but let me know if next time I'm supposed to use a spoon, but I think it will go more for me with hand. I'm sorry, I respect culture, so let me know in the comment section. Sorry, myself. The fish, it's so good. Let me try the spaghetti, the washi, and the sauce together. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is good, guys. This is good. I don't know. I cannot compare the washi and the kenkey right now because the two taste amazing, like differently amazing. Oh my God. Guy, Ghana, why they call the talk show and I don't get food, man? This is really delicious. Pasta? Spaghetti? Thank you. Sorry about the video for today, but you know, I'm in also weather. But the thing is, if really I want to enjoy this food, this washi, I will remove this gari. For me, the spaghetti, the beans and rice, the stew, the fish, the chicken, for me is okay. Really, for me is okay. Oh my God. Charlie, this one too sweet. Oh boy. Charlie will take more to dilute am. Oh boy, yeah. Seafood. Guys. My Nigeria people, please try this food. The kenkey and the washi are amazing. Try it. Lekker. Yeah? It tastes good, Shati. Huh? No pepper. Really nice. Please tell me what is so special about the gari. Tell me what is so special about the gari. Because I can do without the gari. Let's break it down. See fish. Yeah. Egg. Malt. It just woke up from sleep. Take chicken drum. Use it to scratch your gum. Guys, this is delicious. My table will scatter this food for you. So this is so delicious. Before my son scattered this table. Thank you for watching. Ignore his look, he just woke up like I said. Thank you for watching. Like this video. Share. Comment. And tell me, my Ghana people. I will not lie to you, my Ghanaian. My Ghana people, I will not lie to you. I cannot even compare the kenke, the raw sauce, and the fish with the vegetable from the kenke. Tastes so good. I was like, okay, kenke will be the winner. When I tried the washe, when I tried the washe, OMG, my goodness. It's so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Let me attend to my baby, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. Want to come down?